Welcome to the CrispMetrics. In this video, we will see how to use in statement in MySQL. Before starting anything, let's decide our database. After that, let's check the data present in our table. So this is the data present in our students table. Let's try to make one question here. Suppose you want to select Harsh and Vishal names from data. And in previous videos as well, we have done these things. Let's take a look on previous technique. We will try to use or statement here. Now here, put condition that your first name should be either Vishal and Harsh. Just copy this, and use or condition, for your Vishal name. Query is done, now execute this. So we got our results, but the question is how to do it with in statement. Let's do it with the help of in statement. So just remove this selected part now. Write in, and after that, you have to pass your list. Inside list, write your names, like Harsh and Vishal. And execute this query now. Here also we got the same results, so answer is, it is your choice that how you write the code. Let's take one more example. Now we want to select ID. So just remove first name, and write ID. Pass your ID values like 102, 104, 106. Now you will observe that 106 is not there. It is because this 106 is not present in the table. This is all about this video. We will see more things in next videos. Do not forget to like the video, and please subscribe to the channel.